You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, or should I say this onomatopoeia. We'll be looking at how to say more onomatopoeias and confusing vocabulary in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. 3 different ways of pronouncing this. The more maybe traditional is ugh, but probably not the most used nowadays. That would be more as ugh, an expression of disgust, ugh. Or you can say it is said also as with just an H, so ugh, or And now, you know, like this video. If you found it useful, let me know in the comments if that makes sense. If you enjoyed the video, thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.